Aerial data collection is transforming how we deliver projects, bringing efficiency, precision, and better decision-making to complex engineering challenges. By capturing large-scale, highly accurate data quickly, it helps overcome terrain and time constraints, reduces risks, improves monitoring, and enables more confident decisions. Managed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Aviation Program Office and developed in collaboration with the Army Geospatial Center, the Operator's Tool for Information Collection, or OPTIC, is a map-enabled mission management tool transforming how we plan and execute aerial data missions. OPTIC enables safer, more efficient, and cost-effective multi-source data collection, bridging the gap between technical end users and full-fledged aviation operations. With OPTIC, UAS operators, even those with little or no aviation background, can confidently plan and execute missions that comply with FAA regulations and meet all required airspace coordination measures. More than just a tool, OPTIC is a foundational requirement for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to safely and effectively conduct UAS operations in the 21st century. OPTIC is the enterprise solution for the problem set common to all UAS operators: how to unify a geographically separated group of individuals with little to no aviation training under a common standard that meets FAA, Army, and local airspace rules while providing timely, actionable information to decision makers. Simply put, OPTIC enables agility by demystifying UAS operations in complex airspace while connecting all points of the remote sensing data collection spectrum built into the data engine. OPTIC provides planners and operators the ability to create required documents, track personnel and equipment standards and status. OPTIC also enables the user to do risk management, fulfill airspace requests, and execute missions safely in the national airspace. All these features can be customized when and if policy or conditions change within the ecosystem of UAS operations. OPTIC drastically reduces the left-of-launch workload through 5 focus areas: rapid approval, operator standards, equipment status, mission planning, and lastly, command and control. By leveraging advanced technologies and techniques, OPTIC strengthens the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Unmanned Aircraft Systems program across the enterprise, supporting collaboration and the secure sharing of field-collected data. Without OPTIC's capabilities, USACE would be unable to fully leverage UAS as an enabling technology to reduce time, cost, and risk for projects ranging from routine inspections to complex, dynamic construction projects. OPTIC provides leaders with a clear real-time view of their organization, tracking personnel qualifications, readiness, and assignments in detail, and ensuring only fully qualified operators are tasked. Beyond personnel, OPTIC tracks equipment status, maintenance, and availability in real time. It gives teams a clear picture of readiness and supports mission planning across the national airspace and beyond. OPTIC streamlines mission planning from the moment a tasker is received, guiding planners through risk assessments, crew assignments, approvals, and execution all in one system. This enables remote or distributed planning and operational capabilities, where operators in the field contributing to various mission sets can receive instructions to execute missions from geographically separated planners.
We have a tasker to survey storm-damaged routes, assess a compromised bridge, and estimate repairs in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Let's open the mission planner and begin executing for ESF Team 1.
Got it. Pulling up the mission planner now. Flight area defined and loaded. Initial risk assessment complete. Mission details entered. Qualified crews selected. Mission ready equipment added. Mission has been submitted for COA approval and mission briefing officer risk assessment. Once it's signed, send the details to the flight crew.
OPTIC version 1 marks the start of smarter, faster mission workflows, providing labs, districts, and centers with the basic requirements they need to quickly assess training and equipment status and to plan and execute missions in the field. In Q3 of FY26, OPTIC will add powerful new capabilities. The mission module will include a sensor data repository and project cost tracking. The equipment module will expand to include airworthiness releases, generator and GSE tracking, and failure rate analysis. The safety module will offer mishap reporting, hazard identification, and compliance tracking. And a new leader's dashboard will provide customizable reports, exportable datasets, and flexible echelon views. OPTIC's data architecture is designed for interoperability across multiple systems and datasets. OPTIC will allow planners to quickly visualize equipment availability across their labs, districts, or centers, improving resource allocation and coordination during disaster events like hurricanes or other complex mission sets. OPTIC data is fully Open Geospatial Consortium or OGC compliant and can integrate with other third-party software and can be utilized for collaboration with other agencies and departments. Here is an example of USACE OPTIC missions integrated with the U.S. Army's Development Command, DEVCOM, One World Terrain Dashboard. This dashboard allows users to see, search, and acquire USACE collected datasets previously undiscoverable outside of USACE systems. OPTIC will introduce automated photogrammetry that transforms raw imagery into rich, detailed 3D visualizations. With a simple drag-and-drop upload, users can process their data directly in the app. The result is a fully interactive 3D scene, ready to view, measure, and integrate with other OPTIC datasets for deeper analysis. Projected in FY27, the OPTIC design and development team plan to integrate predictive analytics integrated throughout the system, selectable sensor data, import-export options for tactical overlays, 3D mission planning tools, AI-enabled trend analysis across all aspects to support logistical scheduling, failure rate analysis, costing data, and much more. As the tool of choice leading us into the future, OPTIC enables the ability for the end user to tap into the national airspace system, creating efficiencies, reducing cost, mitigating risk, and streamlining data sharing across multiple formations. OPTIC, empowering safer, smarter, and more connected aerial operations across the core and beyond.